Now, let us look at the mistakes and corrections of Shavasana corpse pose. Well, this is known as one of the best relaxation poses in yoga. So let us look at the mistakes first. First, the legs. Both the legs are together. You need to have some distance between the legs, some distance, and you need to drop both the toes out. Very good. Next one here, if you can see, her hands are close to the body. Well, I would say this is not a mistake, but the convenient way would be keeping your hands away and palms facing up to the ceiling always. The next one here is the head. She's dropping her head to the right. If at all you drop your head to the sides, whenever we do long relaxation processes, there is a chance for your neck to have a catch. And hence, we always ask you to point your nose up to the ceiling and keep your head straight. So this is the correct posture of Shavasana. Mainly, people tend to keep their eyes open. So make sure you keep your eyes closed.